Hello everyone, my name is Noel Constantini. I am working in Prius Medical Company, the dealer of HBD company in Turkey. We are sold more than 40 machines in all of Turkey, and the feedback of customers is very good. And a lot of machines in Turkey work 24 hours without any problem and with our support. And all the customers prefer this machine from HBD because it's giving quick, it's earn the time and give him a high quality. We are happy with the partnership with HBD and we are looking for great future together. Thank you very much. Hello everyone, my name is Noel Constantini from Prius Medical Company. I am now in Static Dental Laboratory in Tekirdağ at the north of Turkey. Like you see, we have a lot of machines here, about 8 machines. We are now install the new machine and support the customer to see if we have any problem with the other machine with the great team of HBD company, and we will see you at the next installation.